0, 1. Let's get started.
Why they stopping me?
All things JDM
with a Z. Fire, boy! Fire! Oh my God.
Stay tuned. ここまで来てくださいね。ここまで。
So here we have a 1998 Nissan Skyline R34 GTT. But before we get started on that, we got another guest, Mr. Max. He's back in Japan again, boy. He came last year?
No, this year, January.
It was January?
Yeah.
Oh, it was right after Tokyo Auto Salon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. But I didn't bring him to Ruby's shop last time. Last time we just went to A Pit, we went to Up Garage and all of that. So friendly reminder, if you're ever in Japan and you want to come see some cool JDM stuff, just hit me up, man. And you could just ride around with me in something light, you know what I'm saying? Something light. Yo, why is the hood not popped, bro? Hook me up, bro. Pop my hood. This shit's overheating like crazy. Okay, let me get to this. Fucking around. All right, so this car is automatic. Interior looks pretty good. Not bad. It's an R grade, 160,000 kilometers. It looks pretty clean. Let me get you on this one too, please. Ooh. So this is the RB25 DETT. Oh, no TT. Just that's the I'm bugging. TTT. I'm bugging. Strut towers look amazing. Strut towers look good, man. It's starting to pour. Man, we're late. Strut towers look really good. The whole car looks good. It's got this extra lip kit thing going on. I did notice that it had a small hiccup right there, but no big deal. Tires look good. OEM tires got a little wang on there. Oh, another small little hiccup there. No big deal. But for this price, for a turbo, small little hiccup there. For this price for a turbo, this is not bad. Quick little manual swap. We'll take care of that right there. Interior looks really good. OEM. Oh, another small little hiccup there. Yeah, I don't see any other issues Hardly any surface rust under there. Engine sounds good. No smoke, no smoke. Ooh, AC blows cold. That's nice. That's nice. Power folding mirrors, no big deal. Yeah, so this one's cool. 4-door, auto, turbo. So if you need this one, let me know.
This is massive.
Can we get a picture right there?